Hello, my name is Fajri Adi Ramadan. Here I'm going to tell you all about cognitive strategies, metacognitive strategies, and social strategies. The first one is cognitive strategies. Cognitive strategies are specific techniques or methods that are used to help people process information and solve problems more effectively. These strategies can include things like organizing information, summarizing key points, and breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. So here are some steps to perform cognitive strategies that we call creating mental linkage, applying image in sound, reviewing well, and employing action. So the second one is metacognitive strategies. On the other hand, are techniques that are used to help people think more effectively about their own thinking. These strategies can include things like monitoring one's own understanding, evaluating and effectiveness of different cognitive strategies, and planning how to approach a task or problem. But cognitive and metacognitive strategies are important for effective learning, problem solving, and critical thinking. By developing these strategies, people can become more efficient and effective learn, better able to understand and use new information. And here are some ways to do metacognitive strategies. The first one is centering your learning. Consists of using, overviewing, and linking material, paying attention, and delaying speech to focus listening. And the second one is arranging and planning your learning. There are consists of finding out language learning, setting goals, identifying the purpose of language tasks, planning for language tasks, and seeking practice opportunity. And the last one is evaluating your learner. Consists of self-monitoring and self-evaluating. And third is social strategies. Social strategy refers to a plan or approach for interacting and communicating with others in a social setting. It can include tactics for building and maintaining relationships, resolving conflict, and achieving specific goals or sub-objectives. Social strategies are important for personal, professional, and academic development. They can help people navigate social interaction well and maintaining relationship and achieve goal of objective. Um, and after that, I want to give you example of cognitive strategies. For example, a student is trying to learn new vocabulary word and he can connect each new word to a related word he already knows and create an image or sentence to help remember the new word. This is the one of example from cognitive strategies. And example number two is about metacognitive strategies is monitoring. For example, a student is reading a chapter in a textbook and periodically stop to ask himself question like, do I understand what I just read? Or what do I still need clarification on? In order to check his comprehension and adjust his reading strategy as needed. Last one is example from social strategies. For example, a manager is in a meeting with her team and wants to make sure that everyone's ideas and concerns are heard. She uses active listening techniques such as repeating what others say, asking follow-up questions, and making sure to understand each team member's perspective. By doing this, she is able to build trust and understanding with her team and make sure that everyone's ideas are considered in the decisions making process. Here, I would like to prepare to use cognitive strategies because in cognitive strategies, specific techniques or methods that are used to help people process information and solve the problems more effectively. Um, why I say the cognitive strategies are specific techniques or method that we use to solve the problems because in cognitive strategies we use the creating mental linkage to create the best of problem that we can solve and applying image in sound as the visual of our problems and reviewing well the problems to solving and employing the problems in action to solve this problem. So that's why I would like to prepare to use cognitive strategies.